In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TurboTax's built-in AI assistant to answer questions, find forms, and view prior year returns. TurboTax includes a helpful AI assistant designed to guide you while you file, so you can get quick answers without leaving your return. To open it, start by clicking Help in the top menu. As soon as you do, the AI assistant window will appear on the side of your screen. From here, you can choose from a few common options or type your own question directly into the chat box. I'll walk you through each choice so you know exactly what to expect. If you want to check key dates, select Filing Deadlines. This section highlights important tax dates at a glance, which is especially useful for planning estimated payments or making sure you're on track to file on time. Take a second to review the dates that apply to you. When you're done, simply go back to continue working in your return without losing your place. Next, if you need help with a specific form or topic, choose Help with a Form. In the search field, type your question. Something short and clear works best, like W-2. The assistant will surface suggested answers based on what you typed. Select the suggestion that matches what you need, and then follow the on-screen instructions. You'll typically see straightforward guidance, definitions, and steps that point you to the right place in your return, so you can complete that form confidently. If you need to reference a past filing, pick View a Prior Year Return. The assistant will guide you through the prompts so you can securely access your previous return. This is handy for confirming last year's numbers or checking details you want to carry forward. Just follow the prompts until your prior year return opens. You can also ask your own question at any time. Click into the chat box, type your question in plain language, and press Enter. The assistant will respond with a concise explanation and suggested steps that you can apply immediately. Being specific helps. Include the form name or the topic you're working on, and mention the tax year if that matters to your situation. Read the response, and then follow the suggested steps presented in the window. That's all there is to it. Open Help from the top menu. Let the AI assistant guide you to deadlines, form help, or prior returns, and use the chat to get clear, focused answers as you file. With these tools, you'll move through your taxes more confidently and efficiently, all without interrupting your workflow.